day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to export Google Forms response to Sheet or Excel. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Forms. So over here, so this is my user ID. So I just click here for Google Form over here in Google Apps. So otherwise you just go to docs.google forms. You can direct to that Google Form options. So this is my Google Forms. Here there will be a different types of quiz I have conducted. So I got a lot of response from the particular quiz and details. So how to get this response into a Excel or sheet? So there will be a response over here, so you can identify the response. So who's the gender and sports and class, everything will be there with my Google Form. So now I just want to convert this one into a Excel or Google Sheet. On top you will find a view in sheet option. Just hit the button. Once you click a view in the sheet option, so you can identify a Google Sheet will be open here with the name of the student, contact number, gender, sports and class on the top, where you can ask the questions from the things. So these are the questions we have already pre-implemented in Google Form. So what are the inputs, everything will become over here. So what time they have typed and what time they have updated, everything will be displayed over here. Now I would like to convert this one into a Excel. Just go to file menu and download as Excel will be there. So you can identify and just click here to download as Excel. Automatically your Google Form convert into Excel, so that Google Form to Google Sheet to Google Excel will be easy and access. If you love these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.